So here is the best way on how to add more toggles on Samsung One UI 7.0. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So first up, what you need to do is just simply swipe down for your toggle area, and right over here, as you can see all the apps or toggles you can use. So I'm going to show you how you can add more toggles. So there's two options for it. First one being pressing on these three dots on the top, and you'll see the option of added buttons. Just go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll see all the buttons that are toggles that you can add. Or if you don't want to do that, just simply head over to the second portion, and right over here you'll see a plus icon. Just simply go ahead and press on that, and right over here you'll see many toggles or buttons, whatever you'd like to call it. So let's say I wanted to put in microphone access. I'm gonna tap on it like this, hold it, and put it right over here. And here, as you saw, I've done it. Now I need the camera access as well. I'm just gonna put it right over here. I also need NFC, gonna do that, and also song search. And here we go. Now if we press done, here as you can see, I've added extra toggles. And yeah, this is as simple as it gets. So I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.